Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I have an unboxing from Zazzle. And today I'm here with this long ponytail and nails that keep popping off, okay? So today I'm here completely who I am and all of my little flaws that comes along with it. But I want to show you guys a product that I ordered from Zazzle that I think is really cool. I'm super excited that they offer this, and let me go ahead and get the box. So my package came in this box, and it is the Zazzle's face shield. So the box was a nice size. Some craft paper, and then it comes in like a gift box, and then in here is just more craft paper. Okay, so the face shield is in here. I designed this one myself. I did a lavender ombre effect face shield, so it's like lavender here and it starts to fade into like a gradient clear color. I think I showed you guys how to design this on one of my videos, so I don't know, I've never worn one, don't know how to put it together. So this is like the glasses part of it. It comes with it says Zazzle face shields. So it says easy to assemble, reusable, one size fit all. Zazzle's face shields are not intended for medical use. This shield should not be used in any surgical settings. It says locate the I-frames A and B face shield included in the kit. Carefully pull open the blue clasp on the left side. Insert the blue clasp. Press down firmly to click it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And while I'm opening this, I want to tell you guys about the time frame. Because that was the downside of this. This is the blue clicks that they were talking about. So I'm just going to open that. The time frame for me... It was, okay, let me see. Design. Oh, it's so cute. It says Zazzle, and then it says designs by Coins and Connections. Let's see if y'all can see that. There. So, yeah, I ordered this on, I don't know if that's the right way. Let me look at this thing now. I ordered this on May 10th, and I got it on May 27th. Whew, that was rough. So. All right, I got it. And then I clasp it through the hole here and through the hole on the glasses. Boom. Woo! That was a little rough. So now I do the same thing on this side. Probably gonna edit this out. And then I insert the clasps, the little circle thing in the hole and through the hole here too. Okay, so I have my face shield. Boom. I don't know, can y'all tell it's ombre? So the purple, you see it? And a gradient, it goes down. So this is the face shield. I really feel like I have nothing on, but I can hear like the echo or whatever. So super cool, super cute. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it out today, I think. It's just different. So hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. Actually, let me take this off because I hear the echo. Also inside here was like a free thing for, they always add free stuff in here, so it's like 50% off, Hello Fresh stuff, but they always add stuff in their things. But here's my lavender ombre face shield made on Zazzle. So if you guys want to order one, just look up Coins and Connections on Zazzle to get your face shield. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video.